Since our founding in 1911, Viking Pump has built over 7 million pumps and supplied them to customers all over the world. These pumps handle the broadest range of liquids in the industry. We've prepared a listing of 50 pump applications, tying each to a state where this application can commonly be found. This does not mean that these applications are exclusive to that state, nor does it mean that this is the only Viking Pump application to be found in that state. It's just a fun way to outline 50 of Viking Pump's most common and successful applications. Today, let's explore Viking Pump applications in Pennsylvania, Minnesota, Nevada, New York, and Mississippi. You're watching the Pump Report. We'll start in Pennsylvania. Pennsylvania is famous for the production of some of America's favorite foods, but perhaps the most popular among them would be chocolate. Across a variety of plants in Pennsylvania, Viking pumps are used to manufacture chocolate from cocoa beans, and in the production of chips, bark, bars, and other confectionaries. Viking Pump offers the widest variety of chocolate pumps available to ensure that we're well suited to handle every step of chocolate production so that sweet stuff keeps flowing. Minnesota is home to chemical manufacturers who've become synonymous with a variety of adhesives. From superglue to adhesive tapes to sticky notes to resins and more, Viking pumps are used to help deliver the sticky stuff that helps to assemble many of the products we buy or repair them after any mishaps. Mining is another industry where it's difficult to pick just one liquid among those involved. In Nevada, it varies widely based on the type of mine and what's being mined. This includes coal, copper, iron, and precious metals, just to name a few. Viking pumps are used for a wide variety of applications, from chemicals to help recover minerals, to lubricants for mining equipment, to polymers that are applied to loose earth to prevent dust and erosion. Viking hygienic pumps aren't just reserved for food products. In New York, you'll find Viking pumps for the viscous and sometimes abrasive application of producing and packaging toothpaste. When most Americans think seafood, we often think to ocean-going ships off the coast of Alaska, Massachusetts, or Maine. It's easy to forget that an increasing amount of our seafood is farmed in a process called aquaculture. In Mississippi, Viking pumps are used to produce feed for fish or shellfish. This helps to grow and produce catfish, bass, crawfish, shrimp, and an increasing number of farm-raised seafood options. So what do you think of our list? Or did we leave off an application in your state that you'd still like us to highlight? Please let us know in the comments. To learn more about these applications or to view other pump reports, please visit our website at vikingpump.com.